Everyone thinks the best-selling fight sticks are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1:8BitDo Arcade Stick. First up is the 8BitDo Arcade Stick priced at $89.99. This wireless stick caught my attention with its ergonomic design and versatility. If you want a reliable and customizable experience, this is worth a serious look. This fight stick is compatible with both Nintendo Switch and Windows, making it versatile for various gaming sessions. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4G, and wired connection, so you can game however you prefer. The 16 buttons give you plenty of options for button mapping, and I was genuinely surprised by how easy it is to customize with the ultimate software. You can even use Sanwa arcade sticks for a more premium feel. Now, some users have mentioned that the wireless connection can sometimes lag. Here's the thing though, if you're playing casual games or fighting against friends, it's likely not a deal breaker. Competitive players might want a wired connection though. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a customizable stick that can adapt to your gaming style. Skip this one if you're a hardcore competitive player who needs absolute precision all the time. Now, if you're concerned about that wireless lag, the next option might be a better fit for you. Product number 2, Mayflash F300. Next is the Mayflash F300, retailing at just $59.95. This budget-friendly stick really impressed me with its multi-platform compatibility and customizable features. If you want an affordable option without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth a look. The F300 supports a wide range of consoles, including PS4, Xbox One, and even Steam Deck. With customizable buttons and joystick, you can set it up just how you like it. The turbo function allows for different speed settings, which could be a game changer in fast-paced situations. Plus, it supports Sanwa denture buttons for those who want to upgrade later. This matters because it means you can keep the stick relevant even as you improve. However, some users reported that the joystick feels a bit stiff. But honestly, that might just be a matter of personal preference. Once you break it in, it could feel just right. This is perfect for you if you're a casual player wanting to try out fighting games without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something extremely high-end or specialized. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize professional features. Product number 3, Nacon Deja Arcade Stick. Now let's talk about the Nacon Deja Arcade Stick, priced at $199.99. This one is officially licensed for PlayStation and designed with input from pro gamers. If you want a stick that takes your fighting game experience to the next level, this is worth considering. What sets the Deja apart is its Sanwa joystick and action buttons, which are known for their durability and performance. The customizable front plate allows you to switch up the look, and the textured palm rest keeps it comfortable during long gaming sessions. The button mapping software is user-friendly, making it easy to set up profiles for different games. This is crucial because it means you can adapt to various fighting styles on the fly. That said, some users found it a bit pricey for a budget category. I get it, but if you're serious about fighting games, the quality can justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated fighter looking to enhance your gameplay. Skip this if you're not ready to invest in a higher-end stick. If that price tag made you hesitate, the next product is definitely an affordable game changer. Product number 4, Hori Fighting Stick Mini. Next on the list is the Hori Fighting Stick Mini at just $59.99. This lightweight option caught my eye for its portability and solid design. If you're looking for something easy to carry without compromising on gameplay, this might be the one for you. The mini stick has an 8-button layout and an 8-foot cable, making it versatile for both arcade and fighting games. Its compact size means you can easily fit it in your backpack, which is great for on-the-go gaming. It's officially licensed by Sony, which adds to its credibility. Here's why this matters. Portability can make all the difference if you want to play with friends or at gaming events. However, some users mention that the size might feel cramped for larger hands. But honestly, it's designed for easy transport more than extensive use. So for casual play, it works just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, portable stick for casual gaming. Skip this if you have larger hands and need a more spacious layout. Now, if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, the last product might just be your best fit. Product number 5, Gosport Speed Sticks. Finally, we have the Gosport Speed Sticks, available for only $24.99. This 2-pack is designed for mixed martial arts training rather than traditional gaming, but it caught my eye for its unique approach to improving your fighting skills. If you want to sharpen your technique at a budget price, this could be a fun addition. These padded contact sticks allow you to practice precision strikes and defensive techniques without the risk of injury. The heavy-duty construction absorbs impact, making them safe for various drills. This matters because practicing safely can help you build confidence and skill without the fear of hurting yourself or your partner. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 848 reviews, they're well received in the training community. Now, some users pointed out that they might not hold up as well against very aggressive training sessions. But here's the thing, for general training and skill building, they perform admirably. This is perfect for you if you're looking to improve your martial arts skills on a budget. Skip this if you need equipment for intense sparring or competition. Overall, these sticks give you great value for money and are a fantastic way to practice your technique. So there you have it, 5 budget fight sticks that cater to a range of needs. From the customizable 8-bit dough to the professional-grade Nacon Deja, each offers something unique. Whether you're a casual player or looking to sharpen your fighting skills, there's a stick here for you. Just remember, it's not always about the price. It's about finding the right fit for your gaming style.